Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm sharing with you a simple, easy DIY project. So without further ado, let's get started. For this project, I'm recycling this water bottle that was leaking from the top. I removed the cap and using masking tape, I'm going to cover the mouth of it and I'm going to give it a coat, multiple coats of this white chalk paint, and I'm using this foam brush. I've been seeing these similar kind of bars online and done by other DIYers, and I wanted to give it a try. I like the pattern on the bottle and therefore I thought of using it that way. So after a few coats, I covered the lip a little bit under the mouth and I'm going to give it a coat of this metallic gold spray paint. I like the combination of the metallic gold with the white. It gives a nice, rich, expensive look. After a couple of coats, I removed the masking tape from the bottom. I did have a little bit of speckling at the mouth of it, but it also gave much character to the bottle. And that was it. My simple DIY is ready. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye, smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay home and stay safe, people. God bless you. Bye-bye.